The wind's a great trip, so I'm back at the bridge. I don't know what time it is. I made a good time coming out though. Everybody goes on this bridge, takes pictures, photos, tourists. You see the water flow. Looks pretty good down here, but when you get up above, it's not as much. Like I said earlier, Simon's up ahead waiting for me. Just a little bit of a view here. A great trip. I couldn't have had better weather. Simon's a great companion. I gotta say, it's way different hiking with your buddy, your dog, and he's a great hiker. He just loves backpacking, loves his pack. He knows exactly where his place is when it comes to the tent, when it comes to the trail. He chases the odd squirrel, that's a pain, but other than that, he's a really good companion. Anyway, another great trip to Kenomee Canyon. I know I go here a lot, but it's so close to my house, I can't help it. When I get a chance to scoot out, I do. I hope you enjoyed all the other videos.